Measuring the capacity of a soda can by Anna. Goal. What is the difference between volume and capacity? Hypothesis. I think that volume is how much liquid is in something. I think capacity is how much something can hold. Materials. 1. Soda can. 2. Water. 3. Syringe. 4. Cup. 5. Data. 6. Pencil. Fill the soda can up to 355 milliliters. Data. Conclusion. I really like this lab. I learned that the numbers drop. And all the functionality for the cold water 50. Hot water rise. My hypothesis is correct, but it went a little lower than I expected. 100. After all the ice numbers, this was absolutely my favorite lab. 150.
Pick up what you knocked over, please. Why are you sitting there looking at each other?
200. 250. 300. 350.
Between volume and capacity.
5 milliliters.
Not yet. That's the video.
355 milliliters. Slowly add more water. Make sure you add 5 milliliters at a time until it is at full capacity. Procedures. Step 3. Next, record your data. First, find out however much you added to 355 milliliters in step 2. Then add them together. Data. This is my data. Conclusion. In this lab, I discovered that a soda can holds more than the companies put in. I was kind of right on my hypothesis. My first guess was right. My second guess was wrong because I was 5 milliliters off. This lab was really fun. Opinion. My opinion is that this lab was really fun and was probably my favorite. The end. Thanks for watching.